Hello beautiful, you are once more welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing this full lace knotless braided wig. As you can see, I've already taken off the baby hair and then packed the hair into 3 sections. So first thing first, I'll go ahead and then blend my extension. The extension I'm using to do this color blend is color 1 and color 27. So I'll go ahead and blend these two colors and comb it very well in order to achieve a very good looking smooth extension that I can use to do my braided wig. I went ahead and sectioned the extension into small portions in which I will use to do my braids. Since as it is knotless braids, you have to start without the extension. You start with the hair, you braid a little bit, and then you go ahead and start adding the extension. So I add about, I think, 2 to 3 times because I'm going in for a small braid size. But if you are going in for a bigger braid size, you might want to add more in order to achieve the desired size. I'm done braiding the first line, so I'm about to braid the second line. So you want to make sure that you start braiding from the middle. So then you also want to make sure that the braid that you are braiding in the middle is between 2 braids below. Just watch so that you just get what I'm saying. If you have been watching this video to this point, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. It is your first time here. I hope you are enjoying this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure you do so because we have tons of tutorials coming up. You may want to also turn up the bell notification to be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, do well to share your thoughts in the comment section. Yeah, so we are done braiding the back section, looking very good. So we'll move ahead to do the front section. So just like the back section, we are basically doing the same thing over and over. So we are done braiding part of the front section. We will just go ahead and braid the other section. Then later on I went ahead to finish the ends of every braid. So after finishing the ends, I took a pair of scissors and then started trimming off those tiny hairs that pop up at the sides, especially as the fact that I'm using a lace. So some of these laces tend to have very short hair within them, so you need to trim those things off in order to make your wig really look presentable, neat and beautiful. So I went ahead and dipped the ends into hot water. Thank you so much for watching to this point. I'm so grateful Make sure you hit the subscribe buttons and turn up the bell notification to be notified whenever we have a new tutorial coming up. Thank you once again for watching. Until next time, bye bye.